Let's make some soup with some beer, cheddar and bacon. Yes, it's a lot of ingredients today, but hopefully my beer soup will be very nice. First, get yourself some bacon and bake them in a big pan until they're nice and crisp. About 4 slices of bacon should be enough. The bacon will bake in its own fat, so no need to add any butter or oil. When your bacon is done, remove them from the pan and let them rest on a paper towel. Leave the bacon drippings in the pan because we're going to use them later. While your bacon is dripping out, get yourself 1 onion, about 1 or 2 toes of garlic, and some carrots to taste, and cut everything down into small pieces. When you have cut your vegetables, add about 2 tablespoons of butter to your bacon drippings and add your onion and carrots and garlic to the pan as well. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on a medium fire. After 5 to 6 minutes, mix in a tablespoon of flour, a teaspoon of mustard. The kind you use is up to you. And bake for another minute on a low fire. Add some dark beer to your vegetables. I am using the same beer as I used in the last video. A nice dark Belgian roast with a hint of caramel. We're going to use the entire bottle this time. Next up, I got some chicken stock. You can also use vegetable stock. Add about 1 to 2 cups, depending how liquid you want it, to your mixture. I'm using 2 cups with about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of heavy cream. Some salt, fresh or dried thyme, about 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, bring to a boil over medium heat while whisking. When your soup boils, reduce the fire to low and let it go for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. You can now smooth it out with a hand mixer if you want. Take your pan off the stove and mix in a rich amount of cheddar cheese. When you serve, add a little bit of cheddar cheese as garnish, together with bacon bits, which are optional. Serve your beer and cheese soup with some leftover bacon, either normal bread, cheesy bread, or garlic bread, and enjoy. Ah, that's really good. Very nice. You can taste the beer and the cheese is all molten. It is slightly bitter because of the because of the beer I used. If you want a sweeter taste, you can use another type of beer, of course. But it's still pretty nice. It tastes a lot of cheese. You taste a lot of cheese and the beer and onion, and it's great if you for dipping. Just very nice overall. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.